Electric vehicles have come a long way, and the 2026 Tesla Model 3 continues to set the standard for what a modern EV should be. With refined styling, impressive range, and technology that feels years ahead, this latest iteration proves Tesla isn't resting on its laurels. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're diving deep into the updated Model 3. Design. The 2026 Model 3 embraces a cleaner, more sophisticated design language. Smoother lines and refined proportions give it a premium appearance that looks expensive without being flashy. The minimalist exterior continues inside with an uncluttered cabin dominated by the central touchscreen. Premium materials and improved build quality address previous criticisms. The panoramic glass roof creates an airy, spacious feel, while ambient lighting adds subtle elegance to the modern interior. Performance. Performance remains a Model 3's strong suit. The dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration delivers instant, linear acceleration that never gets old. 0 to 60 happens in the low 4-second range, making merging and passing effortless. The low center of gravity from the battery pack creates planted, confident handling through corners. Regenerative braking is smooth and predictable, allowing for one-pedal driving in most situations. Range estimates exceed 350 miles on a full charge, making range anxiety a thing of the past. Technology suite remains industry-leading. The enhanced autopilot system provides advanced driver assistance with improved capabilities. Over-the-air updates continually add features and refinements. The massive touchscreen controls virtually everything with intuitive menus and quick responses. Premium audio, enhanced connectivity, and improved climate control round out the tech package. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 refines an already excellent formula into something even better. It's proof that electric doesn't mean compromise. What are your thoughts on the updated Model 3? Share in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and share with anyone considering an EV. Subscribe to Next Gen Reviews and enable notifications for more automotive content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.